Guys, I just finally noticed that they have launched the price of this coin. Actually, this is a very miming. This is part of the miming app that I have, and I've been mining this app for a very long time. But I was not really sure of the project. That's why I did not tell you guys. I want to be very sure of the project first. But to for the price launch like this, as they have shown me that yes, that these guys are real, like that they are legit. So they've launched the price today, I think today. So I'll show you how you can get this coin for free. So app, click on this app, and you click on this app. After click on this app, I'll send you the link where you can get this app. I'll send you the link where you can get this app. You download the app. When you download the app, you log in, you put on your details, you log in. After login, please, this is very important. This is very important. I will drop my referral code in the in after I drop the video. I'll drop my referral code. You put my referral code here. You put my referral code in this place. You copy my referral code and place it here. When you place it here, you when you place it there, you will see where they will tell you submit. They will tell you submit at this approve. They will tell you submit. After clicking submit, they will give you you submitting my referral code. They will give you 44.4 of their coin. You get they'll give 44.4 of MTR coin, and one coin is one point something dollars. Assuming it's $1 and they're giving you 44, that is they're giving you $44. Is that not crazy? That's why as you're mining your coin, you also try to put my referral code in this place so that you can also get this $44. This is very simple, and this is update that I want you guys to do it immediately you watch this video. Why I'm doing this video is because I'm trying to do something that I'm trying to do something very easy for us. I don't want, especially when new members come to the to the group. I don't want to be dropping link anyhow, and else I'll after posting my video in the group. I'll post it in the my YouTube channel. I'll put it in my YouTube channel, and so that you people can also go to the YouTube and watch my video. If new members come, I'll tell the new members go to my YouTube to watch my video. You get when you watch my video, you will really understand because everything I have a lot of things to do, and there is no much time for me to be you get no much time for me to be chatting with hundred of members. You get so you guys participate on this airdrop and share it to your friends. Thank you.